Anyway, ayan, this is my first time to mag-video sa sarili. Nadamay ako sa kaibigan ko. So anyway, today, yung plan ko today is for and actually, usually, nangyayari sa akin everyday. Yung iniisip ko is more on knowledge and self-development. Parang gusto ko na yung mga ginagawa ko is may mga kabuluhan ko or may meaning. So since before my past is parang I'm doing something na hindi siya kaya ayaw or hindi in short walang sense. So right now I'm trying to gawin yung mga bagay na hindi ko nagagawa before, like katulad nito pag-aaral. Like that, pag-aaral. Kasi dati di ako nag-aaral ng maayos. Inabuso ko yung freedom ko before because I'm a spoiled person, and before I came here in college, parang feeling ko lang alam and yung mga tao din normal talaga about sa mga education, pero which is hindi naman talaga. So right now I use my freedom and time na gamitin ko siya in a good way. Okay, kasi automatic na yung at ganun. Okay, I will reset. Okay. So ang plano ko is this video parang sabi ng kaibigan ko is parang memories lang. Ito kasi yung weakness ko. Okay na din siguro. And ngayon nasa Starbucks kami. Lagi kami nag-aaral para matuto syempre. And we're trying to maging mas matuto pa sa matuto araw-araw na parang it's really hard to express when hindi ako sanay magpag-usap. Feeling ko weird, but anyway, hindi ko alam yung topic ko ngayon. So this is my first time to take a video of myself, and it's weird. It's my first time. I will watch this 2 years from now, I think, and I will look back myself if is it good or weird, how weird I am right now. And gusto ko lang sabihin or share na bukas is meron kaming sked, bagong sked, which is hindi siya madali. Nakafocus kami sa programming, and we don't have any idea for our next capstone era, but we make sure our capstone era is we secure na mapasa namin yung project namin. And I hope so. In God's will, we will maging matagumpay kami sa mga path or tatake namin. And ngayon I'm trying to improve everything of myself na may utilize ko in the future, and magagamit ko siya for the future. And wait lang, yan ako mag 3 minutes ako, try.